We at Generali want to enable people to shape a safer future. To do this, we will be now more than ever lifetime partner to our customers. Building on our strengths and looking to the future, we will champion sustainability to become the originator of our strategy, with a greater contribution to the green and just transition. As the leading insurer and integrated asset manager in Europe with undisputed financial solidity and as a recognized data-driven innovator, our mission has already begun. For our customers, we are trusted advisors, offering personalized solutions that fit what people really need. We know how to do it. Because before being a community, before being clients, and even before being a partner, before anything else, we are people. And as people, as Generali, now more than ever, we want a safer world.